So Gemini finally made one of the biggest updates we've all been waiting for. NotebookLM is now fully inside Gemini, which means you can now turn it into your own research workspace, content engine, and analysis tool all in one place. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the most powerful features in this update, and more importantly, how to actually use them properly to level up your research, your content, and your work. So let's get started. We'll start off with the first and probably most important change. You now have full access to NotebookLM directly inside Gemini. So if you go to the sidebar here, you'll now see a new section called Notebooks. And if you click on the arrow next to it, you can see all your notebooks right here, and you can just select any one of them. And now if I open one of these notebooks, you can see straight away all of my sources are already here. So PDFs, websites, documents, everything in one place. And you'll see I can add more files. I can add from Drive and then websites, or even paste in text. And I can also remove or swap any source depending on what I need. Now let me show you how to create your own notebook, because this is where Gemini really becomes your own workspace. So what I'm going to do is go to the sidebar here under Notebooks, and I'm just going to click on New Notebook. And now you'll see it opens up a blank notebook. So I'm going to give it a name, something like AI Research. And now the notebook is created and ready to use. And here, if you click on the three dots, you'll see a few options. You've got notebook settings, or you can pin, rename, or delete your notebook. Now, if I go into notebook settings, you'll see this option called Use Notebook Memory. What this means is Gemini will consider all the chats inside this notebook when it responds. So instead of starting from 0 every time, it remembers your previous questions and builds on them, which makes it much more useful for ongoing work. And then right below that, you've got instructions. This is where you tell Gemini how you want it to respond every time inside this notebook. So for example, I might enter something like this. Always respond in a clear, structured format using headings and bullet points. Keep the tone concise and professional. And now every response inside this notebook follows these instructions automatically. So you don't need to repeat yourself each time. Okay, so let's see how it works. I'm going to go into my Notebook AI Research, and then I'll click on NotebookLM here at the top, and this will take me directly to NotebookLM, and you'll see it's within my AI Research notebook that I created in Gemini, and now I'll enter the search query as I would do in NotebookLM. So here I've added AI trends in 2026, and it will generate the sources, and then I import them. Then if I go back to Gemini, I'll see that all this has been added into that same notebook. I'm just going to refresh the page, and here you can see all my sources from NotebookLM are within my notebook. And now we can enter this prompt and provide me with the key insights from these sources in a clear, structured format. And so you can see it's come back with a full structured response based on my sources in Notebook. And the sources are all available here on the side. And our recent conversation is available here at the bottom. I can also upload my own sources to the notebook, and I'll ask Gemini to summarize it and provide me with the key insights. This time I'll also select Canvas. And you'll see it opens up this full workspace. And now instead of just getting a response, I actually get this editable document. I can change the formatting, adjust headings, turn this into bullet points, basically edit it like I'm working inside a document editor. And you can also generate a number of different outputs. So up here where it says create, you can see I've got all these different options. I can turn this into a web page, an infographic, a quiz, flashcards, or even an audio overview. So for example, I can click on infographic, and now you'll see it takes everything we just created and turns it into a visual format. And what's really interesting there is this option here, describe your own app. So you can actually tell it to create something completely custom. So I could say something like, create an interactive dashboard that explains the key concepts step by step with sections and clear navigation. And now you're not just getting answers, you're building outputs and even simple apps based on your own content. And one more thing that's really useful here, every chat you have inside this notebook is automatically saved. And so you can see this last chat is now saved here. And so you're not starting a new conversation every time. So over time, this actually becomes a full workspace. You've got your sources, your prompts, your outputs, all in one place. So now we have our full notebooks directly inside Gemini. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.